Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off the VoiceOver feature on your Apple MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So you could either tap the Command and F5 key on your keyboard at the same time. So again, the Command and the F5 shortcut key. You could also use the Touch ID button 3 times in a row. So just do a quick succession, one after another. And that's pretty much it. There is one additional option you can go through here, and that'd be opening up the Apple menu up in the menu bar, and then selecting System Settings. Select Accessibility on the left panel, and then on the right side underneath Vision, select VoiceOver, and then you just would toggle this to the off position, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.